Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can track an Android phone. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show how you can do it. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to have a Google account, and on the Google account you need to go onto settings, and from settings you're going to search for accounts, okay? Accounts, okay? And once you click on accounts, okay, you're going to be in this this screen. It's actually in security and privacy if you want to, like, you're going to scroll down, okay? Scroll down until something called, you're going to scroll down until it's going to be in security and privacy over here, and once you click on it you're back in it. So we're going to click on accounts. No, actually, you're going to first of all click on find my mobile. I need to make sure that these both two settings are open. Allow this phone to be found, and once you click on it you can open all of these. Make sure that send last location is turned on, okay? And basically both only these settings that you should really make sure that they are open, which is offline finding, send last location, and always this phone to be found, okay? Now once you have these, also you have something called offline finding. It is one of the Galaxy related options, but just you need to make sure that you have a Google account on it. So once you're in it, you're going to exit, and you're going to go on to Google, and you're going to search for Find My Phone, okay? And then you're going to click on the first thing that has Google on it, and you click on Find My Device, and put the same Google account that you have, the same Google account that you have on the same Google account that you have on this website, which is Find My Device. Like, for example, I have my email. Once I put this email, as you can see, it located my phone. So once you have these, even if your phone is closed, you can still track it. So yeah guys, this is basically how you can track your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.